here is the result of a oil change in my lawnmower. And unfortunately, every time I walk past it, it drives me nuts. It's just an ugly brown spot in the lawn. Now this lawn is, as you can see, it's pretty green all the way around. So this spot here is just kind of in a nuisance. Just, like, if you can see, it's green, 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 and then I get this brown spot. So I've got my tools handy, and I think I'll get started on that so I can finish it sometime today. There, another project done. Sure feels good to get some of these out of the way.